Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Paradise and hell argued with each other. Hell said, I have been made exclusive for the tyrants and the arrogant people. Paradise said, what is the matter with me that none but those who are considered weak and lowly in the society will enter me? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said to Paradise, you are my mercy. I will bestow my mercy by you on those of my bondsmen whom I please. And He Jalla Jalaluhu said to hell, you are my torment. I will implying you torment those of my bondsmen whom I please. And for each of you is a fixed filling. But as for hell, it will not get filled until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will place His foot. It will then say, enough, enough. At that very moment it will get filled, and some part it will compress against the other one. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not wrong any of His creatures. As for paradise, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will create a new creation for it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7104.